Agent Coop 61 with my toy rifle. I'm going to show you how to reload and stuff. Well, it's already reloaded. I'm just going to tell you how to shoot. Now, firstly, you shoot. See that thing? Just moved. To reload, you have to get it on the right angle of the camera. Then you pull it back like that. So, now, spot the difference. No. Spot the difference. It's a game of spot the difference, spot the difference. Oh my gosh, you found it. It's this. It's pulled back. Now to fire, press that. Well, it's only a toy, as you know, because it's actually plastic and it's actually quite looking realistic. So yeah, it's not a real gun. You can tell because of the orange thing, and yeah. So please rate, subscribe, and comment on my toy rifle.